Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Chrysler Pacifica and I will show you where to check and how to find out what is the factory tire size and tire pressure for this vehicle. This video will apply to Pacificas made from 2017 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now once you open the driver's door and you look at the door frame, you will find this yellow and white sticker, information, tire and loading. And here you will separately have this info for the front tires and the rear tires. And for the spare tire, which this vehicle doesn't have. So, front tires 245/60/18 and the tire pressure is 36 psi. That's the recommended tire pressure, and the rear tires 245/60/18 36 psi. And here is where you can find the same information for your own vehicle. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.